This is the final installment of a series of 4 episodes in which I work on this old bike. The bike itself is nothing special, you can find many of them second hand. It's a 1987 Schwinn WorldSport that I got at a yard sale. Over the past 10 years I rode it as a commuter and I put a lot of miles on it. When I recently tried to adjust the brakes, one of them gave out. It was beyond repair and it needed to be replaced completely in order to keep this bike going. In the past episodes the brakes were replaced and so were the levers. To finish up the job I installed new handlebar tape as well. Because of the age of the bike I opted for cheap, and it appears that with the installed components I got off Amazon you really get what you pay for. Out of the box these brakes have a lot of motion. The materials feel flimsy and it's difficult to adjust the brakes. It is difficult to align the brake pads to the rims and I ended up having to tweak it a lot. I had a set of V-brake pads laying around and as an experiment I installed them. By simply flipping the washers it is possible to mount these type of brakes in a smaller setting. In the past years I used this bike to pull the bike trailer that carried my son. This is definitely something I will never ever do with this new setup. It might look okay, but I'm not impressed with how it all performs. To me, it does not feel safe. And how will it perform in inclement weather has to be seen.